For this maths activity, you're going to need your number cards to 10, something to count with, so I've chosen pasta shells, but you might choose buttons or animals or counters, and something to write with. So I've got my whiteboard and pen, but you might have some paper or a chalkboard or anything like that. So something to write with, something to count with, and some numbers to help you. So the first thing that we're going to be doing is ordering our numbers, because we're going to create a number line to help us again. So remember, the best way to order numbers is to spread them all out, read the numerals, and we go from left to right. So I'm going to start with 0. Got 1, 2, 3. Oh, upside down. Making sure my numbers are the correct way round is really helpful. 4, 5. Now I don't have space to go all along in one line, so I have to start underneath here. If you can go in one long line, that's better really. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and last 10. Okay, so I've got those numbers there to help me with my activity. So I'm going to be thinking about finding one more and one less. And this is a little game that we're going to play. I'm just going to move this down so I've got a bit more space. And I'm going to get my counters in my pot and I'm going to shuffle them around and then close my eyes, and I'm going to pick out some of my counters. I'm going to lay them down here. Now, they're in a big pile there, and I need to make sure that I'm counting them accurately. If I count them like that, 1, 2, 3, 4, then I might count the same one twice. So the best way to count is by laying them out in a line, because in maths we work in an orderly way, which means that we're not messy, we're nice and neat whenever we're working in maths, and we can see exactly what's going on. So we're going to order our objects which we're counting in a nice neat line so we can see what we're counting. Now, the easiest way to count is by moving the objects so you know they're out the way. So I would go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I have got 9 counters here. 9 counters. So now I need to discover what 1 more than 9 is. And I can either jump 1 more along my number line, 1 more, or I can get 1 more out of my pot and add it on, and I'm going to recount. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 1 more than 9 equals 10. And if I need help knowing how to write the number 10, I can just get my number card. I can write the number 10. So it's got 2 digits. The number 10. So 1 more than 9 is 10. I'm going to put number 10 in the correct place back in the number line. Okay, let's do it again then. I'm going to put my counters back in my pot. Move them around. There we go. Look. Okay, right. Counting it like this is a bit of a mess. So remember, in maths we always work in an ordered way. So we're going to line everything up nice and neatly so I can see it. There we go. Right, this time I'm going to point and count the objects rather than moving them. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Find the numeral 5. If I'm not sure, I can always count along my number line to help me find 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, yeah, there's 5. So 5. I've got 5 objects. Now I need to find 1 more again. So I'm going to get 1 more out of my pot and add it there. And I'm going to recount. 0. Oh, not 0, because I've got 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Brilliant. I've got 6 objects now, so I'm going to put the number 6 on my whiteboard, and I'm going to start at the top, I'm going to round the back and curl it back up. Number 6. So 1 more than 5, 1 more than 5 equals 6. Okay, right, we can do that same activity but finding one less this time. Okay, so I'm going to pull out some pasta shells again, and again I need to order them up so that I make sure I'm counting them accurately. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, I've got 7 now, so found 7 on the number line. Now I need to find one less. So less is where we take one away. We're not adding, we're taking away. So I'm going to, less means I'm going to take one of my pasta shells and I'm going to put it back in the pot because I'm finding one less. I'm going to recount to find my answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I've got the answer 6 again. Again, if I'm not sure which way around the number 6 goes, I can find 6 on my number line, put it near where I'm doing my writing and copy the shape starting at the top, going round the back and curl it up. Number 6. So 1 less than 7. I'm jumping backwards, 1 less than 7 equals 6. So that's your activity. Can you have a go at ordering your numbers 0 to 10 on a number line, using some objects, counting them out accurately, putting them in line, making sure they're nice and neat, finding one more and then finding one less. If that gets too easy for you, then get rid of the number line and see if you can do the activity without your number line. Let's have a go at that now. Okay, so we're going to do one less now. I've got, oh, these 2 are running away. 1, 2, 3, 4. I've got 4 objects. I need to find one less. Take one away. 1, 2, 3. I've got to see if I can remember how to write the number 3. So 1 less than 4 equals 3. I'm going to go round the back, round the back. Number 3. Okay, I might put those there so I can remember. Right, let's do one more. Now, tell you what, let's make it even harder. If working to numbers to 10 is just too easy for you, let's use more objects. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's add some more. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Got to organise it all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And you can test yourself here. 14, you can think what's 1 less, which means I'm taking away what's 1 less than 14. So see if you can write down your answer before you check. 1 less than 14. I'm going to be counting backwards. 14, 13. So I think my answer is 13, but we always check. So doing 1 less. So I'm going to pick up 1. I'm going to take it away because that's 1 less. I'm going to recount to check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Yes, I got it correct. Brilliant. Okay, so there are some different challenges there depending on how well you get on with recognising your numbers, putting your numbers in order, finding one more, one less within 10. If that's too easy, take 10 away, try and do it without the number line, and if working to 10 is still too easy without your number line, then use shells or other objects to help you find one more and one less within 20.